Welcome to Daycon's Shine On video training series. Today we will discuss the importance of following the correct standard operating procedures when disinfecting various space types. From restrooms to handrails, one must follow some basic yet very important guidelines when properly disinfecting a surface. We will review the proper preparations, safety precautions, product selection, and proper procedures. At the end of this video, you will be well equipped to ensure the safety of the building that you are responsible for. So get ready to learn, and as always, shine on with Daycon. You will need these supplies prepared and ready to use. Approved disposable gloves, proper eyewear, approved mask, ready to use or pre-mixed EPA registered disinfectant with label, closed for cleaning or caution signage, green, yellow, or red microfiber cloth, depending on space type. Preparation before execution will ensure that the job is done correctly and in a timely manner. Have all tools and chemicals prepared and ready to be used. Always don proper personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. Make sure that all necessary precautions and communications have been made, such as setting up clothes for cleaning or caution signs, and having approval to be in an area or announcing your presence as you would when entering a restroom. Make sure that any surface to be disinfected is first pre-cleaned. Proper general cleaning procedures for various space types will be discussed in other training modules. When using disinfectants, it is important that you choose the correct microfiber cloth in each space type. Though some have slightly unique color coordination programs, the industry standard is to use a green microfiber when disinfecting space types outside of a restroom, and red or yellow microfibers when disinfecting within a restroom. Red being for high-risk areas such as within a stall or on a urinal, and yellow for low to medium risk areas such as trash receptacles or countertops. Anytime you are preparing to disinfect a space, it is important to close that area off with proper signage. This is for the safety of the occupant and to ensure the disinfectant is undisturbed during its dwell time. Of course, closing off any area must be approved in accordance with the building or company guidelines. If you are ever unsure of the proper timing of the closing of any area, please communicate with your supervisor or manager. When using any cleaning chemical, Daycon recommends donning all appropriate PPE. This includes proper gloves, eyewear, and approved masks. Apply disinfectant to the prepared area liberally. Make sure that anytime you are using any chemical from a spray bottle, that it is appropriately labeled with an OSHA-compliant sticker. Once the surface is covered with disinfectant, allow to sit for the appropriate dwell time. Dwell times range by brand and product, but most often the dwell time is 10 minutes for full efficacy. After dwell time is complete, simply wipe the surface thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. If you are using a neutral disinfectant, you are now done disinfecting that area. If you have chosen a non-neutral disinfectant, an additional wipe down with a water-dampened microfiber cloth may be necessary. The area has been cleaned and dried. You can now safely remove the signage and exit the space. Return all tools and chemicals to the appropriate place on your cart, barrel, or carrier. Once disinfecting of the space is completed, remember to then disinfect your microfiber cloth. This can be done by submerging the cloth into a bucket of clean disinfectant. Upon completion of your work, your microfibers will then be ready to launder or hand clean. You have now successfully disinfected the space. You've chosen the correct tools, prepared the area, donned proper PPE, followed the correct procedures, taken care of your tools, exited the space only after it's safe and ready for occupants. You are now ready to help make your work environment a safer and healthier place to work. Please follow the next steps to take a quick quiz on proper disinfectant procedures.